part of our anniversary celebration is to pamper ourselves. So we are here at La Veriois Kawa Spa. It will be our first time na magkakawa bath. Sana magkasya kami. So bababa tayo doon kasi nandun ang parking. La Veriols pala. La Veriols Mountain View Garden. So this is the reception area. Hi, good afternoon. So pag yellow, ano to? Citrus. So pag blue, yung na lemon.
Ano yung mga additional na bula-bula?
Oo, bath bombs na meron siyang Epsom salt. Ba? Umuusok-usok pa. Ika pa. Let's take a peek. Yan. Ikaw, kaldereta. Bulalo. Ako, sinigang. Yan. So, pinapainit na ang mga kawa. Yan. Dami, no? Ano kaya sa atin dyan? Dapat yung extra large. Pakuha tayo ng picture, ha? So, you get to enjoy kawa bath, hot kawa bath, while looking at this magnificent view. So, it's a new experience for us. Naku, ito naglalagablab na. Makita natin kung saan tayo, ha? So, it's a 45 minutes bath, hot bath, in a kawa bath. So, we'll see you later. See ya! Shower room for men. Ano sa kaliwa, and shower room for women. The waiting area. 1, 2, 3. Init? Ayos lang. Tinolang Jacob. Jacob, smile. Isa pa. So mga guys, ganito pala ang feeling ng nilalaga na bulalo, manok, kambing. Ganito pala. Nalagyan ka ng mga herbs and spices. Kuluan ka unti-unti hanggang sa lumambot ang iyong mga kalamnan para pag kinagat ka na ng tao, yummers. First time naming mag-try ng kawa bath and okay naman, ibang experience kasi yung paligid, nature, tapos yung kapitbahay namin medyo maingay kasi syempre mga bagets. Pero relatively quiet naman. Tapos ang anak ko dito sa tabi, walang ginawa kundi batuhin ako ng batuhin. O, batuhin ko rin, di ba? Ay, tumigil eh. Yan. Yan si Abu. Yan ang view namin. So, kahit katanghali ang tapat dito sa Tagaytay, presko, sariwa ang hangin. Kasi tingnan niyo, marami po talagang mga puno, bundok na very green. Yes, yung sound of nature, maririnig mo yung kuliglig, yung hagupit ng hangin sa mga dahon. Yan si Jacob na tatakpan. Yan, no? Kaway-kaway to the vlog, anak. How's your experience dito sa Kawa? Oh, ito mic.
Masaya.
Relaxing, okay. Pero masaya, bakit anak? Ba't ka masaya?
Relaxing, masaya.
Ang galing ng kanyang analogy. Ikaw naman, Abu, how's your experience here? Buti na lang nagkasya tayo, no? Oh, Abu feels soft and tender. So, malapit-lapit ng iahon to. Oo. Tanglad, may mga gumamela, may bawang. Yan. So, pagpapatuloy namin aming pagre-relax dito sa Kawa Bath, here in Velroy's, in Tagaytay. The package that we got was for Kawa Bath for 40 minutes and 1 hour massage. It's only 1,200 pesos. So, sulit na yon per person yon. And additional tong in-order namin na iced tea para hindi naman kami ma-dehydrate. Okay, so Abu, let's cheers for our 24th year anniversary and to another 24 years plus 2 para 50 years. Sola.
You're crazy for
Cheers.
saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah. I get too drunk and too scared and lie.
This is our room for the night here in Quartier 3 in Crosswinds, Tagaytay. So as you enter, may kitchenette. Andito ang toilet and bath. And may dining set. Meron silang pinaprovide na drinking water. And ito, half-length mirror. Netflix, Smart TV. 2 double-size bed. And ang winner dito is this view. Yan, dito kami nagkape kanina umaga. Ayun, ang ganda ng view. Para kang nasa Camp John Hay sa Baguio, pero we're in Tagaytay, Cavite.
Cuando estás, no te alejas de mí. Te miro y te siento a mí. Bailamos toda la noche así, juntos en el frenesí. Te sientes sola y siempre estoy ahí. No hay momento en que te perdí. Tu sonrisa ilumina para mí. Es un juego sin fin. Es una guerra de toma y dame, bailando al ritmo de un solo clame. Préstame tu mano y no te frenes, que juntos rompemos los esquemas. Tus pasos siguen el compás.
Mas
La
marami
música
yung
nos
pine
lleva más
trees
y
dito
más.
eh.
No hay barreras,
Compared sa
solo
Camp
va.
John Hay.
Nuestros cuerpos en un rato.
So, ang ganda, no? Okay, you can rent this place in Airbnb. Just look for the Crosswinds Tagaytay here at Airbnb. Thank you, Grand Quartier 3. This is the pool area of Grand Quartier 3. Every Wednesday, general maintenance nila, so it's closed. So overlooking the pool area is this view. Ang ganda. Now we'll proceed to the gym. Yan. Ito yung Grand Quartier. May mga units dito available through Airbnb. If you want to go someplace na sobrang quiet, kung naririnig niyo yung background, tunog yun ng mga sikadas, tunog ng nature, huni ng ibon. Dito kayo sa Crosswinds. Kasi talagang tahimik dito. Let's inspect and see their gym area. Paki-open lang. Yan. Okay, so pag nag-rent kayo ng unit dito, pwede kayong gumamit ng gym area. Maganda naman. No? Hindi lang ako pwedeng mag-exercise kasi May cough and colds pa ang lola. Pero Jacob will be happy to use this area. Ganda. Tapos pwedeng buksan yung pintuan para to let the fresh air in instead of using Abu, magsiswimming pa kayo ng apo mo. Yan. Gusto niyo fresh air dito. Itong na-appreciate ko sa area na to. Although, hindi to newly built. This was built year 2010. So, pag tinignan mo, medyo old na yung building niya. But the units are big compared to the one in Alpine. Kasi dalawa dito eh. Itong mga quartiers 1, 2, and 3. And meron din ditong Alpine Suites. Yun relatively new, pero smaller ang units. Okay. So, this is the way going to the elevator. Ang ganda din ng hagdan. Ninyo, ang ganda ng hagdan. Luma, pero ang ganda. I think meron din mga units dito. Dito yung going to the swimming pool area. And this is, I think there are rooms pa rin dito. Units. Okay. So, panik muna tayo. See you guys in a bit. So, lampas ng Petron. Hinigilaw ka na, Josh? Hinigilaw ka na?
Yeah?
Lamig na kamay mo?
Ano, lamig?
Oo, tapos lampas ng Primark.
Ba't halos ng SM daw yan?
Oo.
Ay,
So, malapit na tayo.
what yun eh?
Ito, dahon sa mesa.
Dahon sa besa.
Yun. Doon tayo. Okay. See you. See you guys. Bye-bye. Hi, Ella. Hi. Josh, don't run. Josh. Hi. Dahan-dahan ikaw. Jacob, I like your hair.
Puto ba Tata Prince?
Ganda.
Bata ako Tata Prince?
God bless you. Hi, Micah. God bless you. Hi, Dee. Mwah. Inaanak kong beauty.
Malapit na raw anniversary nyo ah.
Ito nga, kaya nga kami nandito. Hi! For the anniversary. Jacob! Ayan, tama-tama. Oh. Ano tayo? Budol tayo, budol ha? Ang ganda ng view dito eh, oh. Oh, sit down na. Dito ang mga Ramos.
Diyan ka dyan. Diyan ka. Dito sa tata. Nabigay ni tata.
Prince, tabi tayo.
Ah, sige, tabi tayo.
Josh, si Tata Prince nga. Kasi Tata Prince pa ako.
Ah, gusto niya. Sige, sige, palit.
Hindi, tinanong ko lang.
Gusto mo tabi si ano? Halika na di.
Okay lang yan.
Ella. Morning! Ay, ang ganda ng view. Ang ganda ng view. Tanong natin mamaya. Para pala itong highlands, no? This is Crosswinds pool area. Kasi yung aming pool ay under maintenance, nililinis. Meron ditong playground for kids. And here is, to this area is the swimming pool. Hi, Josh! Wow, may kiddie pool pala. Tapos may pa mga lola, no? Ganda. Kanina pa kayo? Si Kuya Jacob kasi sleeping pa. Ngayon lang nag-shower. Wow! Mainit ba ang water?
Dito, hawak mo.
Heated?
Mainit.
Nice!
Dito malamig. Ganda.
Nice! Pinayaran niya? Abu Potter! Mga pakana yung dalawa.
Slow motion mo. Gano'n mo yung tubig.
Go! Sapa.
Aircon.